Good morning, Andrew's Real World here. Hope everyone's well and safe. I'm here at Poole Harbour. I'm going to have a look around, see what we can see. Okay. It's quite a large working shipyard here. Mainly all Sunseeker boats that are being built here. There's a quarry over there. Brand new Sunseekers there, just been built, probably ready for delivery somewhere in the world. These old trader boats are quite practical actually, quite good boats, sturdy boats. Sunseekers are built for speed, well these days for cruising now more than speed. In the old days are just pure speed boats, but they've just got bigger and bigger over the last 20 years. It's a nice little green houseboat over there, nice liveaboard. Yeah, day fishing boats here, small ones at the far end of the marina. I'm pretty disappointed with this Poole Harbour really. I thought it was a lot bigger than this, a lot more boats, but it's not really. Water's clear, a bit deep, once you go out 2 feet anyway. Yeah.